Jerry Thomas first wrote about this cocktail in 1876. Back then, gin was a very popular choice, and this cocktail reminds a lot of people of the Tom Collins because it uses the exact same ingredients, except it adds egg white. This cocktail is the Silver Fizz. What is the crack? Welcome back to the channel. My name is the Rusty Bartender, and if you're new here, we are making every single cocktail in Steve the Bartender's cocktail guide. Before we get into this cocktail, I just want to let you all know about St. Patrick's Day is coming up, and I'm Irish, so I'm thinking I'm going to be making 17 cocktails leading up to St. Patrick's Day, starting from March the 1st. Look out for that. It's going to be 17 Irish cocktails that are actually good, not just cocktails that look green and you think might be Irish, or just have a little bit of Guinness in it and you're going to call that Irish. These are real Irish cocktails by real bartenders. Anyway, today we're making the Silver Fizz, which is a mix of gin, lemon juice, simple syrup, and an egg white. Easy peasy. I made the Ramos Gin Fizz a couple of episodes ago. It wasn't too disastrous, but because it was so hot in my studio, I actually left it sitting there for maybe a couple of minutes just so I could get a picture for the thumbnail of the video. And the head, of course, because it's got cream and egg white and stuff in it, it went a little bit bubbly, we'll say. It was still nice to drink. I digress. It's still 38 degrees here in the studio today, so I'm sweating me balls off, so we'll see how this one goes. Anyway, let's get into it. Today we're going straight into the cocktail shaker, and we're gonna go 2 ounces or 60 mils of gin. And today's gin is Tanqueray. It's just my basic go-to gin when it's coming to cocktails these days. Gin for forward does the job. Then we're gonna attempt to get 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice out of this lemon, but my lemons these days aren't too juicy. Don't know what the crack is there. Let's try another one. See if we can get there. All right, 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, and I nearly spilled that everywhere. That would have been good. Then we're gonna go 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Nice and easy. And 1/2 ounce of an egg white. My full egg white went 3/4, and you know the way they go all jelly like? I'm just going 3/4 because that's what's in here and I can't separate it anymore, so that's what we're using. We're gonna give this a dry shake for maybe 10 to 15 seconds just to emulsify that white. Like and subscribe. Please. We're then gonna add ice to that shaker, and then we're gonna shake again for about 10 to 12 seconds to get it nicely chilled, a little bit diluted. The shaker's frozen together. All right, we are going to strain this into a chilled highball. And then we're going to top it off with some soda water. All right, we're just going to top off with about 2 ounces of soda water. So that's about 2 ounces. Eyeballed that. This is what you look like, folks. It is, you'll probably see it separate in a little second. The liquid's right here, and the rest of it is pure foam and froth. So we'll give it a little sip in a second, but need a straw. All right, get myself a straw. Into the middle it goes. The foam is pretty thick, look at that. Metal straw, went straight into the middle, didn't move. Let's go, give it a sip. Easy to drink, very easy to drink. Big Tom Collins vibes coming off it. The egg white gives it a bit of a smoothness, a bit of a roundness to it. There's 2 ounces of gin in that, and you would not think that. There's no burn, there's no big smack of alcohol going off in this. It's very, as I say, it's very easy to drink. Yeah. Silver Fizz. Yeah, boys knew what they were doing back in the day, didn't they? Cheers, folks.